My personal reflection. My personal representation is a teacher. Good afternoon, my name is Aslen Fierro. I have 19 years old. I'm from Colombia. I live in Garzonhuila. And I was born on January 17 in 2000. Currently, I live with my mother, my father, and my brother. I have a degree in English. I studied at the Caribbean University Corporation, called CECAR. I like to learn new languages. My final goal is to study translation and interpretation. Thank you. Reflection about the phonetics importance. Phonetics consists in the study of the sounds produced in a languages. It is very important since it allows the student or apprentice to be able to make an adequate pronunciation without falling into errors that damage the received understanding. Evaluation of the developed course. I qualified this course in an excellent way, since unlike every method of learning used in this unit, it also tests our skills and our knowledge through a practical, weighing with different types of flagship activities. Thank you and goodbye.